Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi. I believe this video will be the final video of my Solidworks Mini Vacuum Cleaner project. Alright, before I proceed to explain to you how we will do pack and go and compiling the set of working drawings, I need to mention that I have made some minor correction here. I have already put scale here to 1 for this dust container valve. Since this dust container valve is 2 times bigger, as shown here, the scale is to 1. So it means that I need to show the scale is to 1 here. Okay, the rest of the parts is scale 1:1 as we refer to this title block scale 1:1. Okay, Alhamdulillah, I have shown you everything start from the beginning, from the part modeling of my mini vacuum cleaner, in which I have shown you how I have done the main body part modeling of the front and rear casing. Then I splitted that main body into front and rear casing. Then I've shown you the part modeling, how I've done the internal structure for both front and rear casing, the supporting ribs to hold the DC motor and also to fit in the rear cap, and also the supporting structures or ribs to hold the PCB and also the rechargeable batteries. And I've shown you all the rest of the part modeling, like the on-off button, the dust container valve, and also I've shown you even the standard part like HEPA filter, how I have done the part modeling of the HEPA filter, and I've shown you how I've done the part modeling of the crevice nozzle. I have shown you how I've done the full assembly of the mini vacuum cleaner and also the exploded view of the mini vacuum cleaner with the exploded lines. And I've shown you how I've done the set of working drawings of this mini vacuum cleaner, start from the beginning, assembly drawing, the exploded view drawing, the rear casing, the front casing, the impeller and the rest, and also the dust container and the rest. Alright, Alhamdulillah, I've completed everything. Okay, for this video, I would like to show you how we will do. The first part is about pack and go, and the second part how we will do compiling this drawing into a set of working drawing in PDF format. Okay, to do pack and go is about your SolidWorks assembly file. Okay, let me show you my SolidWorks full assembly. Okay, this is my SolidWorks full assembly that I've done earlier. So I have 2 modes here. This one is in exploded view mode, and also I have in collapse mode. Okay, make sure that your full assembly have 2 modes like I've mentioned. We have explode mode. In explode mode we have exploded lines. Alright, make sure you have both collapse and exploded modes. Alright, to do pack and go, you will not simply just save as your SolidWorks assembly file, and also you save all your part modeling file, you send it to me. That's not the right way to do it. To do pack and go here, under the file, we have pack and go. Alright, pack and go, what SolidWorks will do, it will compile all the sets of your assembly file together with the children or the parts modeling that you have done to make this full assembly of your mini vacuum cleaner, and make sure the list as shown here, make sure everything is checked. And here at the bottom, save to this PC, I would suggest you you must do it like this. You go to browse, you must save it to your desktop of your laptop. Okay, under the desktop, so you will create a new folder. I will name this as mini vacuum cleaner. So I will use this folder. I select it. So now what SolidWorks will do, it will compile all the part modeling file together with the assembly file. It will compile it into one folder, mini vacuum cleaner, of my desktop screen. I click save. Okay, let me show you. If I show you on my desktop here, desktop screen, I have a new folder already created, which is the mini vacuum cleaner. As you can see here, we have all the SolidWorks assembly file together with all the parts modeling file. Alright, what I want you to do, you select everything here. Okay, make sure that you install WinRAR in your laptop. So I will right click edit, so I will make WinRAR, add to archive. So I will name it as mini vacuum cleaner.rar. So I will click OK. Now I have one set of compressed mode version mini vacuum cleaner.rar. Okay, the rest of the file here I will delete it, right, except the WinRAR file. Alright, if I open this WinRAR file and I have all this thing, the assembly file and all the parts file involved for this mini vacuum cleaner. Alright, so you will upload this mini vacuum cleaner.rar file into your e-learning. Alright, so this will be the first part. Alright, about the second part is about your drawings. Okay, as you can see, this is your set of working drawing in Solidworks. So you will not simply save it like this Solidworks draw format and send it to me. What I want you to do, okay, before I show you how we will compile this complete set, this set of working drawing into one PDF file, make sure that everything is in order. So we have assembly at the first page. The second page will be exploded view drawing. Also make sure that your BOM is completed. As you can see, all the parts have drawing number. Everything is completed. Your title block is completed. Okay, about the drawing, the scale and so on. Okay, the first page will be assembly. So make sure that all the drawing sheets here at the bottom, your assembly drawing is at the first one. The second will be the exploded view drawing. The BOM is completed, and also the title block, and followed by the rear casing. So the rear casing will be drawing number 1, already mentioned in this BOM, drawing number 1, rear casing, and followed by the front casing, drawing number 2, also mentioned in the BOM. The front casing is drawing number 2, and the rest of it must be in order. Impeller on, off, and rear cap is drawing number 3. Everything is completed. Title block, everything, all the particulars, all the footnote is completed, and also the dust container is the last one, drawing number 4, and everything is completed. Okay, so what you will do, you will compile it as one PDF file. So what you will do, you go to File, you go to Save As. Okay, we will not save it as a Solidworks draw file as shown here. So what you will do, you will save as, the format of the file is PDF, and you save it to the folder that you have just created, which is the mini vacuum cleaner, under your desktop screen. Alright, so I will name it as mini vacuum cleaner working drawings. Make sure the format is PDF. Then I click save. Okay, what will appear here is about PDF export. As you can see, we have 1 assembly drawing, 2 is exploded view drawing, rear casing, front casing, impeller, and the rest, and also dust container and the rest. Make sure everything is highlighted. Then I click OK. So what Solidworks will do, it will compile it into one single file PDF. The name is mini vacuum cleaner working drawings. Okay, if I show you in this folder, now we have this mini vacuum cleaner working drawing in PDF. When I open it, as you can see now, we have a set of working drawings. The first is, as I already mentioned, everything must be in order. Assembly drawing is number 1, followed by second one is a exploded view drawing. The third is the rear casing. The fourth is the front casing, and we have drawing number 3. Okay, the impeller, the on-off button, and the rear cap. And the last drawing is the dust container, the valve, and the crevice nozzle. Right, so this will be your full set of your working drawing. Okay, Alhamdulillah, before I end up this video, I would like to mention that what you guys have learned in this course is not just about basic engine drawing and basic Solidworks. You guys have also been exposed to basic product design using the mini vacuum cleaner as your case study. This project required all of you to start from the very beginning. You bought an actual mini vacuum cleaner, studied it, analyzed it, and then you modify it to create a better version compared with the original one. All these activities are part of the design process. Some of you started with hand sketches, followed by part modeling, where you develop better versions of the original product. You then created detailed parts modeling, refine individual components, and continuously improve the overall design until the product functions effectively. Through this project, you have gained valuable knowledge and practical experience. More importantly, this design-based task has given you hands-on exposure to the engineering design process, allowing you to experience how a real product is developed from concept to final design. Your CAD files, in which your assembly files, your part modeling files, together with a complete set of working drawings, those represent valuable intellectual property of yours. These are your own designs and reflect your creativity and technical skills. In the design and manufacturing industries, complete CAD models and a set of working drawings are highly valuable company properties, as they serve as important engineering documents. As you continue your studies at UTM until graduation, inshallah you will be exposed to more engineering design courses. In the future, I believe you will be able to produce even better product design. Inshallah, when you graduate from UTM, I believe you can become entrepreneurs, set up your own design or consultant companies, collaborate with the manufacturing industries. And it's about time we do product design and manufacture, because nowadays in our industries, most companies only involved in manufacturing. When you graduate from UTM, you guys not seeking jobs, but you guys create a job. I wish all of you success in the future. I kata selamat maju jaya semua. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi.